आज ही डाउटनेट ऐप डाउनलोड करें। डाउटनेट पर होगा अब आपके सभी मैथ्स, केमिस्ट्री, फिजिक्स और बायोलॉजी डाउट्स का सफाया। बस अपने क्वेश्चन की फोटो खींचो, उसे क्रॉप करो और तुरंत वीडियो सोल्यूशन पाओ। डाउनलोड नाउ।
Hello everyone, today we have a question here from circular motion chapter. A motorcyclist rides in a horizontal circle around the inner wall of a cylindrical chamber of radius r. If the coefficient of friction between the tires and the cylinder is mu, the minimum angular velocity to prevent slipping is. So यहाँ पे हमको एक horizontal circle में बाइक रोटेट कर रहा है. Okay, so let us say this is our cylindrical chamber. Okay, दिस इज आवर सिलेंड्रिकल चैम्बर और यहाँ पे एक हॉरिजॉन्टल सर्किल है, वो यहाँ पे है. ओके, यहाँ पे बाइक है, वो इस सर्किल में रिवॉल्व कर रहा है. सो हमको क्या पता है, अगर एक बॉडी सर्किल में रिवॉल्व हो रहा है तो इसका रिजल्टेंट फोर्स टूवर्ड द सेंटर शुड नॉट बी इक्वल टू 0. ओके, सो दैट मीन्स देयर मस्ट बी ए रिजल्टेंट फोर्स टूवर्ड्स द center. Okay, that resultant force is nothing but centripetal force, which is equal to mv square by r. Right? So now यहाँ पे बाइक का रिलेटिव मोशन किस तरह का है, डाउनवर्ड से, वर्टिकली डाउनवर्ड से, क्योंकि द अर्थ ऑलवेज ट्राइज टू पुल हिम डाउनवर्ड्स बिकॉज दिस इज बिकॉज ऑफ अट्रैक्शन. ओके, सो नाउ our friction should oppose relative motion, so our relative motion is downwards, so our friction should be in vertically upward direction. Okay, this is equal to mu into n. Okay, so now normal reaction ka direction, normal reaction is always perpendicular to the point of contact. Okay, point of contact. Right, so our point of contact is this, so its perpendicular must be towards the center. Okay, this is the point. Its perpendicular is nothing but radius vector, so this is our radius vector r. So our direction, our normal reaction direction should be along the radius vector. So now n is equal to mr omega square, right, which is nothing but mv square by r. Okay, v is equal to r omega, we will get mr omega square. So this is because we have centrifugal force. Okay, mr omega square, because when he is rotating in a circle, a pseudo force acts, because it is an accelerating frame. Circular motion is always accelerating frame. Okay, is always acceleration. Okay, circular motion frame is always acceleration frame, because at every point velocity direction changes. Right, at every point velocity direction changes, so it is an accelerating frame. So now mr omega square is the normal reaction. So for preventing slipping, okay, the least case should be mu n is equal to mg, because this is at the start of slipping, just about to start slipping. Okay, that means यहाँ पे vertical equilibrium, it just passes vertical equilibrium, that means he is about to slip. Okay, mu n is equal to mg, so mu into n means mv square by r is equal to mg. So here mu into r omega, v is equal to r omega, so mr omega square is equal to mg. Okay, g gets cancelled, so omega is equal to square root of g by mu into r. So this is our angular velocity, this is minimum angular velocity. Okay, see guys, this is at minimum case. Okay, minimum. अगर हमारा angular velocity इससे भी ज़्यादा हुआ तो no problem, he will be rotating in circle. Okay, because this value see, mu into mr omega square. अगर ये omega, if this omega is more, then it can easily overcome mg, so our resultant force will be in upward direction. Okay, so then that's why he will be able to rotating in circle. Okay, so that is the case, so our option is third option. Okay guys, thank you.
क्लास 6 से 12 से लेके नीट, IIT, जेई मेंस और एडवांस के लेवल तक 10 मिलियन से ज़्यादा स्टूडेंट्स का भरोसा। आज ही डाउनलोड करें डाउटनेट ऐप या व्हाट्सएप कीजिए अपने डाउट्स 8400 400 400 पर।